Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the term pastoral. Introduction. Pastoral poetry, an ancient literary genre, has captivated poets and readers alike for centuries. Theocritus, the Greek poet, introduced the pastoral with poems portraying the lives of Sicilian shepherds. Virgil, inspired by Theocritus, presented the enduring model of the traditional pastoral in his Latin eclogues. The pastoral, often nostalgic and idealized, conveys an urban poet's vision of the simplicity and tranquility of rural life. Through the centuries, poets have embraced this mode, adapting it to diverse uses and even merging it with other literary forms. This video will explore the origins and evolution of pastoral poetry, its themes, and its expanding interpretations in modern times. The origins and evolution of pastoral poetry. Theocritus, known as the originator of pastoral poetry, crafted poems that depicted the lives of shepherds, creating an image of the mythical Golden Age. Virgil's Latin eclogues imitated Theocritus and established the conventional pastoral model, featuring shepherds meditating, singing contests, and love affairs. Renaissance writers including Edmund Spenser popularized the mode in English poetry with works like The Shepherd's Calendar. Pastoral poetry found expression in various literary forms such as pastoral romances and dramas. Shakespeare's As You Like It and Fletcher's The Faithful Shepherdess are notable examples. Themes and Christian symbolism. Christian pastoralists merged the golden age of pagan fable with biblical imagery, using the symbol of the shepherd to reference the ecclesiastical or parish pastor and Christ as the good shepherd. Pastoral poems often presented an idealized and Edenic landscape, evoking themes of innocence, peace, and harmony with nature. However, Renaissance writers also adapted the pastoral to satirical and allegorical purposes, adding complexity to the genre. Expansion of the term pastoral in modern times. In modern times, the term pastoral has expanded in meaning. William Empson identified pastoral as any work that contrasts simple life with complicated life, serving as a means to critique societal values and class structures. This definition encompasses works like Andrew Marvell's The Garden and Lewis Carroll's Alice in Wonderland. Other critics view pastoral as representation of withdrawal to nature, where characters gain new perspectives on social complexities. Wordsworth's Michael, a pastoral poem, reflects this evolving interpretation. Conclusion. Pastoral poetry, with its roots in ancient Greece, has undergone significant transformations over the centuries. From Theocritus to Virgil, Spenser, and Shakespeare, poets have celebrated the beauty of rural life and the pastoral dream. The genre has expanded to encompass satirical and allegorical uses, as well as more modern interpretation that critique societal norms or offer a respite from the complexities of the world. The enduring appeal of pastoral poetry lies in its ability to evoke a sense of simplicity and harmony with nature that continues to resonate with readers today. So this was the discussion on the term pastoral poetry. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.